In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of YouWare AI platform that's been gaining a lot of buzz as one of the easiest ways to build websites, web apps, and interactive projects using artificial intelligence without needing any coding skills. YouWare calls its approach vibe coding, meaning you describe what you want with text or even voice prompts, and the AI generates the actual functional output for you. That concept alone sounds incredibly exciting, especially if you've ever felt intimidated by traditional development tools or if you've been looking for a way to quickly turn ideas into real digital products. But does it really deliver on that promise in everyday use? I've spent time exploring what it can actually do, reading through what real users are saying, and testing it myself. So in this review, I'll walk you through both the highs and the limitations of using YouWare AI. What stands out immediately about YouWare AI is its simplicity and accessibility. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's tried older, no-code builders, the experience feels refreshingly straightforward. You start with a blank canvas or just type a description of what you want. For example, a portfolio site, a game, an interactive quiz, or even a small database-driven app, and the AI interprets your instructions to generate layouts, components, and deployable code. It even shows a live preview so you can see your site as it takes shape. Many reviewers praise how easy it is to get started, mentioning that the UI is intuitive and that you can have something working in minutes without any technical setup. One of the most talked about features is the ability to use natural language or voice to describe your idea, which really does feel like you're having a conversation with a design partner. This vibe coding approach lowers the barrier significantly for people who would otherwise need months to learn HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Users report being able to generate entire web projects or prototypes and then edit or refine them with additional prompts without touching traditional code editors. That makes it particularly attractive for creators, small business owners, or early-stage founders who need prototypes or landing pages quickly. YouWare doesn't just stop at front-end generation. Some reviews point out that the platform can integrate features like database connections, interactive elements, and even some basic back-end logic. It also lets you deploy projects quickly and share live URLs, which is something that traditional deployment pipelines can take hours or days to set up. There's also a vibrant community aspect where creators share and remix projects, offering inspiration and collaborative potential for beginners. However, it's not without its limitations. Users have noted that while the platform is great for basic or medium complexity projects, it can struggle with highly advanced or enterprise-level logic. That means if you're trying to build something that requires very specific back-end workflows, complex user authentication, or heavy integrations with other services, you might find it falls short. Some users also point out that the platform still locks you into YouWare's hosting unless you manually export and refine code, which isn't always straightforward for every project type. Another point worth mentioning is user feedback around customer support. While many users praise the platform's ease of use and community support, there are isolated reviews that describe slower responses when dealing with technical issues or refund requests. This kind of mixed customer experience is common with newer platforms as they scale, but it's something to keep in mind if you expect robust enterprise-style support. Despite these caveats, the general consensus from reviewers and users leans positive. Many people say that the tool's biggest strength is how quickly it turns ideas into working prototypes and how it empowers non-technical creators to build projects they previously couldn't imagine building on their own. It doesn't replace professional development for complex apps, but for quick MVPs, portfolio sites, or creative experiments, YouWare AI really does feel like a strong contender in the AI coding space. Let me know in the comments if you've tried YouWare AI or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.